Good day friends. In this video, we are going to see about how to add nodes to a particular cell. I'm going to share about three different methods. Let us see one by one. For example, in this case, we have fruits, quantity in kg and price per kg. So what is the easy way to calculate the cost of the product? Quantity multiplied by price. So here, apart from the normal formula, what you can do, go to the formula bar editor, click the plus symbol, press N for nodes, press N, open parenthesis. Within the bracket, you can give whatever formula that you want, just to for your understanding. Say for example, in this case, it is going to be quantity into price. I'm just giving this as my reference so that in future I can refer this particular cell. This is one way of adding the nodes. Let us see the second way. Here I'm going to multiply both quantity into price. So here I can do right click, go to the insert comment, and I can type quantity into price. This is second way. So that whenever I hover the mouse, I can see the nodes there. The second method. Let me show the third method. Equal to quantity into price. So we have an option called data validation. You can go to data and then click on the data validation. Under that we have input message. So in this place you can mention quantity into price and press OK. So now it is done. So the first option is we are giving the nodes inside the formula itself. Second one, we are giving the nodes with the help of Shift F2, the insert comment. Third option is we are using data validation. So you can use either of these three options to create a nodes to the particular cell. Thank you.